And for those, that are trying to fill up their gas, usually there's a locking indication right here. So when you lock it, you can open up your gas. So that's it. And we got to deal with the cops. I wonder if somebody called. How you doing?
Good. Taking pictures of the bike?
Yeah, I'm setting up a video for.
Figured I'd check it out. I mean,
oh.
It's good enough to be photographed.
Oh yeah. I actually got a 360 camera right here. I talked to my viewers about motorcycle safety. I'm going over each little thing for them so that they know where to go and how to do it.
Okay, so I'm actually not familiar with this model.
Oh, this is a Honda Rebel 500 with ABS. It's a 2018.
Okay.
I got it from my girlfriend. I ride a Sportster, but she's learning how to ride.
Yeah.
So I'm kind of showing her how to do stuff, and all my viewers how to do stuff. So showing them the kill switch, starter, horn, all that stuff. So.
Cool. So it's what, 500 cc's?
500 cc's. This one has ABS, so you can see the ABS there.
Yeah.
It gets going though. I mean, you can definitely do it. So I got her some crash bars, adjustable levers. You can tell we used it.
Hey, it's a learner bike, right?
Yeah. Oh yeah. So I want to get her the Scout Bobber though, Indian Scout Bobber soon. Okay. That'd be cool.
Cool. Yeah, it's a good looking bike.
Yeah, thank you.
All right. So are you wrapped up or are you still working?
I'm still in the middle of it. I can cut all this out and then I can wrap it up. Anybody complaining or?
No. I usually just park over here.
Oh, okay.
It's like a nice central area for me to cover my area here. Allows me just to catch up on my reports and other stuff. So,
okay. Well,
am I going to bother you over there? Out of your field of view, or
you're kinda, but I think you'll be fine. I'm just really kind of grabbing. Actually, you know what? Yours should be good if I'm just capturing this, but when I do a wider angle.
I'll move up.
Okay.
Over there.
All right. Do you need me to wrap it up? Because I was gonna I was gonna do like 2 other videos where I was gonna show clutch control, and I'm not gonna be racing and.
Out. I mean, that's cool stuff.
Okay.
I mean, it's important stuff, right? Put it out there so people smarter and don't get in crashes.
Yes.
Which would, cause me to do more work. So.
I used to be a firefighter, and I hated seeing people crash. So this is why I do this.
Is this a new style for this bike? Because like I said,
yes.
Because I do not recall seeing a bike like this on the road before.
Yeah, this is. They only have the 2017 and 2018 so far.
Yeah.
Obviously 2019.
Yeah.
But they designed a new one. It used to be the Rebel 250, and
the Rebel's been around for a while.
Yes, so this is
I don't remember it looking like this.
Yeah, this is a. You want to sit on it? This is a brand new Rebel. It's perfectly fine. It's a little low.
Yeah, I'm thinking it's kind of low for me, and
yeah,
probably not enough for my 200 pounds. But I like the styling.
Oh yeah, I love it too. We're gonna get saddlebags for it and everything. But yeah, I take a bunch of motorcycle classes.
It prices out probably a lot better than a comparable early model.
Oh yeah, this is the Rebel 500. They have a street 500, and the street 500 is like 8-9 grand.
Yeah.
And we got this on deal for 4. So. Yeah. And this has a 6 gear and it's water cooled. Everything's fine.
It probably puts out about as much horsepower as an 883.
Yeah.
Harley, so.
Yeah. These things are great. But yeah, I'm gonna probably do some clutch control, so I'm gonna have like the video like this right here, and I'll be like, say you get in the friction zone. I don't do wheelies or anything like that. I don't agree with that.
Knock yourself out.
Okay, all right. And if anybody complains, sorry about that. I'll go ahead and leave whenever. So.
All right, no problem.
All right. Oh man, it's gonna be a lot to edit the 360 footage now.